is Sphelele Khumalo. I'm 34 years old. I'm a welding monitor at Alstom Ubunye, Nigeria. I started as a welder and I worked my way up, and now I'm a welding monitor. I'm still studying to become a welding specialist. It's challenging, but I'm getting there. The aim is to become one of the few women engineers in South Africa or Africa as a whole. So in Alstom, I saw a lot of opportunities, especially for women. There are lots of opportunities. So I welded at Alstom for a year, and then I started saving. Saved a lot, and then I went to school. Started as an entity tech, and then I went to school again. Now I'm a welding monitor, and I'm still studying to be a welding specialist.